Ka Ophis District Legal Services Authority Dlsa West Khasi Hills Nongstoin haka arpu khandai tarik Naitung kala pynlong ya ka prokram jinghikai haki Nongtrei Sorkar shaphang kumno thoh ya ka First Information Report FIR shaki bor pulit ya kino ki jingjia basngewsih haka jingpeit jingkhmih jongki haki kam baki trei man ka sngi haka ni ka jingialang jinghikai la batai sani bha ya ki bapher bat ya ki kyndon kiba iadei bat ka jingpen shi tom ben ya ki brio shimet ne ya ki kenhon ki bat ki kyndon ki iadei bat ka jingpan bat jing jamin ya ki tu ki bala syakem haki pulit bat ya ki kyndon babun jat ki bala ban penyaso ya ka no ka jingban ben ne sya le ben haki brio ki bale don bor ya kani ka jingialang jinghikai la pynlong ha multi purpose hall deputy commissioner office mairang kinongkran hakani ka sngi ki kenthop ya uba di nongplu DSP mairang bala jinghikai shaphang ka jingtrei jong ka jingtip baningkong FIR ka kong EG Kharbani Assistant Public Prosecutor Lawyer Nongstoin shaphang ka jingyo jamin kloy bat ya ka hok hakapor badang syakem bat hakapor basha set patok bat naka kong SM Wanyang Principal Magistrate mairang ka bala jinghikai ya kinong ya sad bat ki pulit ki papet kerpang ya ki khenarin
Shimkia will investigate we have to register the case kata mereka FIR. Saya hari ini kalau semua yang mendapat menyusul dari penetapan semua ikutkan perhatian narik suraksa sanita lapas sama senam anda mulai di Desember pada jalan mulai tentu kita membangun kata kenormalan FIR general FIR IADei police station berkendang mentang tanggal zero FIR zero FIR kamu kata FIR baru no Shillong negeri India kibadan komplain yano mana kibasyan lama angno kila file FIR katano katana rane takos kabahajan yung ibene hano pacaka kabaki kam lada cukup Masutin mani ai FIR mentang sa mairang na masutin mani ai mairang ngali ai no Nongstoin ta kanai ka zero FIR dan mencuba lagi ngali ai Nongstoin kina kaki jangpi kadai sa mairang kadai sa mairang na mairang on air dai sa dong inding hal dai sa dong inding ne entah kemana police station no pulit badan hantar kemana police station pilih ai FIR ihapan dia okey kadang kadang setelah persoalan pada pulau pada section siswa yang mulai pada subsection 1 under bracket 1 tadi zero FIR entah ketika dianggap elektronik FIR entah bila FIR lembaga email jumpi lembaga telefon mobile lembaga WhatsApp dan lembaga teks message. Jadi kita di portal dan di website yang tulis, juga police station, kita sana kita ada phone number yang usi, nyok baik website yang tulis dan mana yang gelap baik, phone number yang usi, yang SP, wadisna SP, BSP, usi yang bukan polis dan usi yang kena hack dan baik. Tapi bila show kan nombor yang kilo, show penting, bila penting kalau biar. Tekak kamera yang tulis baru phone yang ini, lalu message yang ini, lalu kita tunduk yang ini, pihak sign-on harus tu FIR kulit untuk pihak sign-on apa license. Lalu kita sign apa license, lalu kita buat sign apa license, kedua FIR bersyukur mereka ada komplain yang di dalam offence dari dalam previous nature, but is a compensable offence, kulit pas, uhapan, simpiahi dalam dia, baru failkan. Police report. Benar kayak FIR. Betul? Our police any question?
Tidak Sorkar. Nak boleh kabut dan kita ketika front office jong Dlsa. Nanti apa district dan municipal office jong Dlsa. Kita ada nanti ini nanti dan di office assistant. Nanti kita batai kiba dan kam. Nanti kita akan citizen nanti ujian new kena macam yang mengakopat pasien. Presiden tahu di Council. Nangta Limbakan ICTS about funding JGB board on infrastructure and the cases jinghikai. Through this one also, which also gives to the DCPU for setting up the DCPU, which will work hand in hand with CWC and also with the JGB, will look into the rights of the child, we will look into prevention of these child rights violation, and also to strengthen the infrastructure, and also how it will provide financial support for implementation of the jingjia. Now, what are the service delivery structure? It is the State Child Protection Society and also the DCPU. Now, also through Dlsa we have a scheme. Now, when I go for awareness program, there are so many PLP also we used to see the scheme, no? It is not the kind of scheme which the government gave, grant of tin roof or grant of water supply. This scheme is different. The Dlsa scheme, there are many schemes under the Dlsa, but this scheme is child-friendly legal services to children and the protection scheme, which gives protection to the child as soon as he is being apprehended, or even if his right is being violated, it is being protected through the schemes. Because why? We have legal representation who will look after the children, and also through this scheme, it strengthens the legal services and also the institutional care, and also it provides counseling and support services to the child who are in conflict with law, also for child who are in need of care and protection. And it also sees that the juvenile justice system, a proper environment is being created, which is child-friendly environment. And also through this scheme, it enhanced the capacity of PLDs, and also for lawyers, there are counselors, service providers, and also NGOs who will work hand in hand with Dlsa through Dlsa. Now, what is this preliminary assessment? As I said before, you have to know, especially for IO when you conduct the case. He has to be sent at the earliest. An order from the board will come out that you have to take, your role is you have to take the child who is in conflict with law, the CICL, from the observation home or place of safety, and take him to before a psychologist or social expert who will conduct the preliminary assessment. For preliminary assessment, it is only done for those where the crime is of heinous in nature, and also the child is above the age of 16 years and below 18 years of age. So for him, we have to conduct a preliminary assessment, which is mandatory. Sometimes there are cases which comes from Ophis court. Already the child is 25 and 6 right now. So sometimes we say that it has defeated the purpose because it has to be done at the earliest. What is the aim of preliminary assessment is that whether the child at the time he committed the offence, he has the capacity to understand the commission of the offence. What was his mental state of mind at the time of commission of offence, and whether he knows what is the consequences that will happen to him at the time of commission of offence. So this is the aim of section 18, which was implemented in the Act. So although we say that it is not required, but the Act says that it is mandatory. So even if he is 24, 25, 26 or 30 or 40 years, we have to, if at the time of commission of offence it is found that he was a juvenile, we have to take him for preliminary assessment, which will be conducted by the social expert, which will test upon his physical and mental